Hey guys, just a little, sorry for the wait. I had to figure something out with the editing. I'm still not a pro at that. And also, I went through one more motor on it. So now I've been waiting, and I'm going to do the power up to a brushless system because I've gone through 3 motors. Alright, well anyway, thank you for watching. See ya.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Christian Random. Today I'll be doing a video, action video, me driving the Traxxas Slash 4x4 brushed. It's part 3 of the 3-part series, driving it, and today I will be running the TQI remote with the TQI receiver, and it's the brushed one, and I'll be running Traxxas power cell, 2 cells, 7,600 mAh LiPo battery. Let's get to it. Oh. Should turn this on first. Okay. So I will be just doing kind of an action video, just so you know. So the tires do not do very well when they are wet. In case you haven't noticed. Ouch. So, yeah, they're not very good wet, but I'll move this guy out of the way. This thing is actually pretty capable, even though it's like a short course truck. No problemo. This video will kind of have a little bit of everything in it, just to cover the truck. Sure, let's set on the ramp. Yeah, that's one thing that's pretty cool about this guy. What the heck? Oh, it's one of those sticks. Ooh. Actually, guys, just to make it fair, 0 TSM. Then it will behave pretty much just, oh, we got a body clip. Then it will behave pretty much just like a normal one. I think it's a lot wilder without TSM. I'll give it that. Oh, and these things are also like invincible. The main things I've had to replace on this truck, I've actually gone through 2 motors and a few pieces of steering hardware. That is what is most breaking about these trucks. Or at least mine is. People say that a lot of times they break these back hubs in there, but I haven't broken a single one of those. So, and I wouldn't exactly say I'm driving this thing gently. Full TSM, just so I have control. Oh, I'll hit the fence on that one, buddy. Okay, so now, oh, did you see that jump? Oh, this thing is a beast, beast. You gotta set up on the tripod. Okay, guys. That's gotta be cool. Okay, surprised that held, guys. I was actually trying to do this before, and it never held. It held! Sure makes the front squat a lot, though. Outside of that thing. Yo! No, that's I'm jumping right next to the truck. I need to go get an adapter. Ooh. Hello. Lucky enough. Okay. I just wanted you guys to get footage of this. Baby. Oh. Way across the balance beam. Or the... Yeah, technically this takes balance. If your truck's center of gravity is too high. Oh, toasted. So, as you guys can see, the Traxxas Slash 4x4 brushed is a very capable RC. It's very fast. It's faster on a fresh battery pack without the GoPro on it. I never got to really open it up. It's pretty much invincible. I've only really broken motors. 2 of those, they're just not that good of a motor. And I've broken some steering hardware. That's all. So, this is a pretty invincible truck. It's pretty fast. I really like it. And I hope you guys, if you are planning on getting one of these, like it. Anyway, guys, stay safe, healthy, and I'll see you next time.